In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Figma, fast, 2025 guide. Let's get straight into it. Open your Figma file and look to the left side of the interface. You'll see the pages section above your layers. This is where all the pages in your file live, and it's helpful to glance here first so you know exactly which page you want your text to reference. Keeping pages clearly named will make linking faster and less error prone. Now click on the text in your design that you want to turn into a link. You can either select the entire text layer or highlight just a portion of the text if you only want a specific word or phrase linked. Make sure you're on the Design tab in the right panel so you can access the text settings. With the text selected, look to the right sidebar for the link option. It's in the text properties area. Click into that field to activate it. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also use the standard link command to pop the link field open quickly, which speeds things up when you're doing a lot of linking in a row. Type or paste the link you want. This can be a web address or a link that points to a specific place within your Figma file. Keep your link text meaningful. Something like "read the guidelines" is clearer than pasting a long URL directly into the canvas. If you're replacing placeholder text, double check that your link matches the intent of the content. When you're done, click back on your main layout or the specific slider template or slide you're designing. This simply confirms your changes and gets you out of text edit mode so you can see how the link sits within your design. If your file uses a template for multiple slides or frames, returning to that template view helps you maintain consistent styling across the set. You should now see that the text is linked. Figma typically shows an underline or distinct styling for linked text, and when you hover in the editor, you'll notice the cursor change to indicate it's clickable. To quickly verify, hover over the text to preview the destination or switch to presentation mode to test the interaction end to end. If something doesn't look right, select the text again and adjust the link in the same field. And that's it. You located the Pages panel, selected your text, opened the link control, added your destination, returned to your main layout, and confirmed the link. Simple, fast, and ready for handoff or presentation.